Doug Thompson here. We're in the shop and got a fun project ahead of us. My partner in the building, Kevin Potter USA, purchased this sign that came off of, I guess, a bridge in Ohio. I guess a demolition company was demoing the bridge for the wrought iron, and Kevin bought this sign, and we decided to use it as a door surround for our front door. Because these are going to be our special bolts for this project. I didn't want to just use the nuts. Hex head nuts. So these, I think, are going to look pretty cool. So the whole idea is that when you have a threaded fastener, you can drill and tap the top of the bolt and then just thread it in and weld it off. But when you don't have a thread, I'll show you how to use this little fixture to weld that all together. I'm going to go ahead and cut the head off of this and then kind of debore it a little bit. I want to get that centered. Where the top of the hex bolt is good with that, I'm going to TIG weld that. And I'll adjust it just slightly by eyeball. I want to get that right in the center. Thread them. Okay.
You could have made it lighter, Doug.
Like that. So we're going to go in close. Let me walk my end in. You walk yours in. And we're going to split the difference. Let's go to you.
There's a lot of weight on one side.
Right, we're going to go right at the very end of it. All the way to there now. Jake, you better not drop this.
Yeah, it's my fault.
So we buy about a half inch.
How about if I do that? I'd super glue it to the fork right now.
We'll come on over and just kind of gently.